Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Hbar price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Hbar chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above a key area of support at around the $0.0639 mark. We are also trying to battle out with a key area of resistance at around the $0.0689 mark, and a break above that key area of resistance, then we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking even higher prices. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which I have highlighted here on the charts using this red target area, and there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and we are now ready for a massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also my target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after bottoming out in the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 2 within this yellow target area, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I also expected to see a 5 wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. And you can now see that I have this Elliott wave structure in blue, which is a micro Elliott wave count within the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 3, where at the time of this recording we have now peaked in that first wave to the upper side. We have also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the start of this wave 3 to the upper side. And because of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see another micro Elliott wave count within the formation of this wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing the target areas. And you can see I have this Elliott wave structure in red, where we have now also peaked in that first wave to the upper side and also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3, and if that is the case, we can sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the Fips to the low of the second wave. And that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.10 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Hbar to do here on the short-term scenarios. But for that move to also play out, there are key moves that we need to continue keeping an eye on, and the first one is a break above our key area of resistance at around the $0.0689 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that, then we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and also see a break above the wave 1 high, which is right here, which lies at around the $0.078 mark. And the moment we manage to break above the wave 1 high, then that would trigger even higher prices to give us a break above the significant high at around the $0.0808 mark, and a break above the wave 1 high, which is right here. That would be the first confirmation that whatever we are seeing is the impulsive move to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, and that could possibly trigger even higher prices to fully maximize our target areas. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios here on the Hbar chart. So continue watching our next key area of resistance at around the $0.0689 mark, and a break above that, watch out for a successful retest. Then watch for a break above the wave 1 high, which lies at around the $0.0779 mark, because a break above that, that is another confirmation that we are in the formation of that wave 3. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 50 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.